In this video, we'll be customizing your post-purchase thank you page, which is part of your checkout sequence. Go to your theme editor, go up to the top drop-down, select Checkout and Customer Accounts. From here, you'll be presented with your current configuration for your checkout page. This has been covered in another video. Select the drop-down, go to Thank You. Here you'll see the thank you page that a customer will see post-purchase. If you haven't updated your checkout experience in a long time, you may see some sort of prompt that says you need to update and publish a new thank you or order status page. Make sure you select publish, but just anything that you need to do for the app blocks, which you can find by going to sections and then going down to add app block. Anything that you have within your apps loaded to your store, you can find there. And then from here, if you need to make any adjustments to your settings, you can do so there. Or you can look at sections, and this will edit similar to how a page would normally edit, except the sections are fixed and you can't drag and drop and add new things in. The only thing that you can add is if you have app blocks that you'd like to load in there as well. As you go down, you can look and review and see the experience that you have. The app blocks will be where you can add in post-purchase funnels and upsells and cross-sell offers that a customer will see that could potentially increase the cart value and order value. Make any adjustments that you need, and then once you're finished, go ahead and select Save.
If you found this video helpful, click subscribe down below and follow us for more on setting up and running a business online.